Jack, wait up! I need to talk to you.
Hey, Sophia. Whoa, you're out of breath. What's going on?
I just saw you talking to that foreign client in the conference room.
Oh, yeah. He had some questions about the project timeline.
Jack, you sounded so fluent. Seriously, like a native speaker.
Come on, you're exaggerating. I'm not that good.
No, I mean it. Your sentences just connected. There was no stumbling. How do you do that?
Connected? Thank you. That's a great compliment.
It's true. Meanwhile, I'm over here in meetings going, wait, what's the word?
We've all been there, Sophia. Every single one of us.
But you're not there anymore. You speak fluently. You have to tell me your secret.
Okay. Let me tell you. But it's not one secret. It's many secrets.
I want all of them. Tell me everything. Don't leave anything out.
All right. Let me think where to start.
Start anywhere. I just need help. Please.
Okay. So the very first thing you need to get is that fluency is not about being perfect.
Wait, what? It's not?
Fluency is not perfection. It's all about flow.
Flow.
Yes, it means the words come out naturally, even if there are little mistakes.
Oh, so I don't need perfect grammar?
Exactly. Native speakers mess up grammar all the time.
Really?
Yes, but they don't stop. They just keep talking. That is fluency.
So fluency is about not stopping.
Exactly. It's about keeping the conversation moving forward.
Mind blown.
Right? So the first step is to stop worrying about being perfect.
Okay, I'll try. So if it's not perfection, what is it? Define it for me.
Fluency is three things: speed, smoothness, and confidence.
Speed, smoothness, confidence. Okay.
Got it?
Explain them to me, please.
Okay. Speed means you don't take a 5-minute pause to build one sentence.
That is me. I take forever to put my thoughts together.
Not anymore. We're going to fix that.
How?
I'll tell you. But first, smoothness. That means your words connect together. There are no big awkward pauses between every single word.
So, not like, I want to go to the store.
Exactly. That's choppy. We want it smooth. I want to go to the store.
Oh, I hear the difference. It just flows.
Good ear. And third, confidence. That means you speak without that fear holding you back.
But I am afraid. I'm terrified of making a fool of myself.
I know. Everyone is at first. But we will build your confidence. I promise.
Okay, I trust you. So, how do I get this speed, smoothness, and confidence?
All right. I have 7 techniques, 7 things that completely change the game for me.
7. Okay, I'm ready. What's number 1?
You're excited?
Of course. I've wanted this for years.
Okay. Number 1, stop translating in your head.
Stop translating? But how else do I speak? I have to translate.
No, that is the number 1 thing that slows you down.
Explain it to me.
Okay, so right now, when you want to say something in English, what is the process?
I think the sentence in my language first, then I translate each word into English, then I try to speak.
Exactly. 3 steps. That is why it takes so long.
Oh my God, you're right. It's so inefficient.
You need to skip step 2. You need to learn to think directly in English.
But how? That sounds impossible.
Start simple. Think in English for small, everyday things, like, I'm hungry. This coffee is hot. I'm tired. Just simple observations about your day.
So, just narrate my life in English inside my head?
Yes, every day, more and more. Your brain is a muscle. It will get used to it.
Okay, I can try that. What's number 2?
Number 2, Speak in chunks, not in single words.
Chunks? You mean like groups of words?
Yes, groups of words that always go together. Instead of learning want, to, and go as separate words, learn want to go as one single unit.
Oh, so it comes out faster, like one sound instead of three.
Exactly. Native speakers don't think word by word. They think in these chunks. I want to. I'm going to. I don't know if. Let me check if.
So I should be memorizing these chunks, these phrases.
Yes. Learn phrases, not just vocabulary lists. It's a game changer.
That is so smart. Okay, what's number 3?
Number 3, listen to fast English.
But fast English is so hard to understand. I get lost.
I know, and that's the point.
Wait, what? How is that the point?
If you only ever listen to slow, perfect textbook English, your brain will only learn to understand slow, perfect textbook English. You'll only speak slow, perfect textbook English.
Oh, so I need to train my ears to handle the real world.
Exactly. Listen to podcasts, watch YouTube vlogs, watch movies at normal speed.
But I won't understand everything.
That's okay. You don't have to. You're just getting your brain used to the speed, the rhythm, the music of the language. Your brain will adapt. I promise.
Okay, I'll add a fast podcast to my playlist. Number 4?
You're so eager. I love it.
Because this is actually helping. I feel like I have a roadmap now.
Okay. Number 4, shadow speaking.
Shadow speaking. What is that?
It's when you listen to someone speak English and you repeat immediately after them, like an echo.
Like echoing? Right after they speak?
Yes, exactly like echoing. You copy their speed, their rhythm, their intonation, everything.
Can you show me?
Sure. I'll say a sentence and you repeat it right after I finish. Ready?
Ready.
I enjoy speaking English.
I enjoy speaking English.
Good. It helps me communicate with the world.
It helps me communicate with the world.
Perfect. That's shadowing. Do that every day for just 10 minutes with a video or audio.
So, play a sentence, pause, repeat.
Yes, it connects your ears to your mouth. It's magic. Let's practice a few key sentences. Everyone watching, repeat after us. Fluency is about communication.
Fluency is about communication.
I think directly in English.
I think directly in English.
I learn phrases in chunks.
I learn phrases in chunks.
Excellent. Let's continue. Number 5.
Number 5. I'm ready.
Number 5, talk to yourself out loud.
Talk to myself. Like just to the air?
Yes, I know it sounds a little crazy, but it works.
Did you do this?
Every single day for a year, and it was one of the biggest reasons I improved.
Why does it work so well?
Because you are practicing speaking without any pressure. No one is listening, no one is judging you.
That's true. I could make mistakes and no one would know.
Exactly. You can experiment. You can try out new words. You can get stuck and then look up the word, and it's all fine.
Okay, I'll do it. Even if I feel silly.
Everyone feels silly at first, but it is so effective. Now, number 6.
Number 6. What is it?
Number 6, don't worry about filler words.
Filler words? You mean like, you know?
Yes, those. I used to think they were a sign of being weak at English.
Me too. I thought I had to eliminate them.
No, native speakers use them all the time.
Really?
Yes, they are a natural part of speaking. They help you keep the conversation going while your brain is searching for the next word.
So it's okay to say, or, well, or, you know.
It's more than okay. It's natural. It shows you're thinking. This changes everything, doesn't it?
It really does. I can stop being so hard on myself for every little
Exactly. Be kinder to yourself. And now, number 7.
Number 7. The most important one. What is it?
Speak English every single day, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Every single day.
Every day? No exceptions?
No excuses. Consistency is the engine of fluency.
But what if I don't have anyone to talk to? My friends don't speak English.
Talk to yourself. That's what number 5 was for. Talk to your mirror. Talk to your pet.
My dog doesn't speak English.
It doesn't matter. The point is that you are forming the words, moving your mouth, and building the habit. Your dog is a great listener.
Okay, so every day, 5 minutes minimum.
Yes, it's not about marathon sessions. It's about showing up every day.
Okay, but Jack, be honest with me. How long did it take you to feel truly fluent?
About 8 months.
8 months? That's it?
8 months of daily, consistent practice. Not necessarily for hours.
What was your exact routine? Tell me.
Okay, morning. 10 minutes of shadowing with a news clip or a vlog.
Okay.
Afternoon. 15 minutes of talking to myself while I was driving or walking. Multitasking.
I like that.
Evening. 5 minutes of thinking in English in my journal before bed.
That's only 30 minutes total.
Exactly. Less than an hour. But it was every single day. And on weekends, I'd try to have one longer conversation, maybe with a language exchange partner online.
This is so doable. I thought I needed to study for 2 hours every day, and that's why I never started.
That's the beauty of it. You don't need a lot of time. You don't need a lot of money. You just need consistency.
Okay, I have to ask. Were there days you wanted to quit?
So many days.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Some days I was just tired. Some days I felt frustrated, like I wasn't improving at all.
But you kept going. Why?
Because I remembered that progress is often invisible. You practice and feel like you're stuck, and then suddenly, boom, you have a full conversation without thinking about it.
Boom.
Yes, it feels like magic, but it's not. It's just consistency finally paying off.
I love that. What else helped your mindset?
I stopped comparing myself to other people. That was huge.
That is so hard. I always see people who are better than me.
I know, but I had to let that go. Everyone is on their own path. Everyone learns at a different speed.
So what did you focus on instead?
I focused on my own progress. Was I better than I was last week? Could I say something today that I struggled with last month? That's all that matters.
That is a much healthier way to think.
It really is. Okay, give me your top 3 tips. Like, if I could only do 3 things from this list, what would they be?
Ooh, top 3. Okay, yes.
What are they?
Number 1, speak every day, even if it's only 5 minutes. No excuses.
Got it. Number 2?
Number 2, stop the internal translation. Force yourself to think directly in English, even if it's simple.
Check. And number 3?
Number 3, don't aim for perfect. Aim for being understood. Communication over perfection.
Communication over perfection. I love that. If the person understands you, you have succeeded.
Exactly. It's not an exam. It's a conversation.
This has been so incredibly helpful, Jack.
I'm really glad. Can I ask you one more thing?
Of course, anything.
What about my accent? Do I need to sound like I'm from America or England?
No, absolutely not.
No?
Your accent is part of your story. It's part of your identity. Native speakers don't care about your accent. They care about whether they can understand you.
Really?
Yes, as long as you are clear, your accent is perfectly fine. In fact, it can be charming.
That is such a relief. I've wasted so much energy worrying about my accent.
Stop stressing. Focus on clarity and fluency, not on sounding like someone you're not.
Okay, I will. Let's practice a little more. Everyone, repeat after us. I practice English every day.
I practice English every day.
I focus on communication, not perfection.
I focus on communication, not perfection.
My accent is part of who I am.
My accent is part of who I am.
Excellent. Okay, vocabulary time. Let's go over some important words from our talk. Word 1, fluency. The ability to speak or write a language easily, smoothly, and effectively. Example, her fluency in Spanish impressed everyone.
Word 2, flow. A smooth, uninterrupted movement or continuity. Example, the flow of his conversation was natural.
Word 3, chunk. A thick, solid piece or a meaningful group of words. Example, it's better to learn language in chunks.
Word 4, shadow. To follow and imitate someone very closely. Example, I shadow native speakers to improve my pronunciation.
Word 5, filler word. A word or sound used to fill a pause in speech. Example, and are common filler words.
Word 6, consistency. Steadiness and regularity in your actions. Example, his consistency in practicing led to great improvement.
Now, some useful phrases. Phrase 1, mind blown. To be extremely surprised or impressed. Example, when he explained it, my mind was blown.
Phrase 2, game changer. Something that completely changes the way something is done. Example, thinking in English was a game changer for me.
Phrase 3, no excuses. Do not try to justify avoiding a responsibility. Example, practice every day. No excuses.
Phrase 4, the beauty of it. The most attractive or advantageous part of something. Example, the beauty of it is that it's free and easy.
Now, let's practice with some questions. Answer these out loud. Question 1. Do you often translate in your head? How can you start thinking more directly in English?
Question 2. What are 3 new chunks or phrases you want to learn and use this week?
Question 3. What time of day will you dedicate to your 5 minutes of English speaking?
Question 4. Who can you practice your English with, even if it's just yourself?
Great job practicing, everyone.
Thank you so much, Sophia.
You are very welcome. Now go and practice. Don't just listen. Take action.
I will, starting right now.
Remember, fluency is not a destination. It's a journey. It's about communication. It's about consistency. It's about confidence.
You got it.
Everyone, you heard Jack. You have the 7 techniques. Use them. Stop translating. Learn in chunks. Listen to fast English. Shadow speakers. Talk to yourself. Embrace filler words. And most importantly, speak every single day.
Just 5 minutes. That's all it takes.
8 months from now, you'll be fluent if you're consistent.
No excuses.
No excuses.
All right, everyone. See you next time.
Keep practicing. Keep speaking.
Fluency is waiting for you.
Go get it.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.